Good day everyone, I'm Julvin Riley Cruz from Grade 12 Tino, owner of a Tree Break Cafe. We are located on 36 Ilang Street, Barangay Santa Ana, Taytay Rizal. And I'm here to introduce you our milk teas and goodies. Our first thing first, our bestsellers two drinks is our Okinawa, Winter Melon, Matcha, and Taro. Also, we have a fraps like latte, like caramel macchiato, and etc. Next are our foods here in our store. Also our best sellers is meaty nachos, carne asada fries with a lot of mozzarella cheese, creamy garlic carbonara, last but not the least lasagna. Goodbye everyone. We encourage you to come in our store. Again, we're Tea Break Cafe. See you soon.